In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Proton VPN from your Windows computer or laptop. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to uninstall or permanently remove all Proton VPN files from your computer, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel. However, if you can't see this Control Panel program, then head to Start menu and then just search for Control Panel. And here it is, click on it. Now from this, go ahead and look for programs and features and then click on it. And this will list all the programs that are running on your computer. From here, find Proton VPN, and as you can see, it is here. So to uninstall it, click on it and you should see uninstall this program. I'll click on uninstall, confirm by clicking on yes. And here you are asked if you are sure you want to completely remove Proton VPN and all of its components from your computer. Go ahead and click on yes, and the uninstallation process will begin. Because this is a small file, it will not take much time. It should be done within seconds. And now Proton VPN was successfully removed from your computer. Go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see, we don't have even the shortcut here. Now, if you go to your programs, you can see Proton VPN is no longer among the programs that you have. So that's the right way to uninstall Proton VPN from your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.